Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new mining website where you can mine TRON TRX very easily and freely. Simple, free, forced to pay TRX mining platform available for all of you, for all of us. Now scroll down, you can see a TRON mining. Create free account mining system and withdraw funds. Get your withdrawal fast as possible from this website. Let's get started. Very fast payment and efficient website available. Make deposit to start to get free earnings and increase your money speed in this website. Here you can see latest deposit, latest withdrawal from this website. Now more scroll down, you can see in just 4 days. 482 TRX already deposited and 48 TRX already paid out from here. 2500 people are used this website already in from here. Now how can you reach here? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. Here you need to enter your first pay email address. How can you get your first pay email address? You have to come to your first pay account and here you can see dashboard and how can you get your email from here. You need to come to your account setting and here you can see you will get your email address. You have to copy this email address and come to the website and you need to paste your email address over here. Then click on get start mining option now and you can see your mining will start here automatically without any hesitation, without any obstacle. As you can see my mining already start in this website. Now you will get 0.0075 TRX from here per day. Everything. Now if you want to make deposit, if you have amount to make deposit, you have to click on deposit option now to create your first deposit. You have to enter your minimum 100 hash rate power you will get from here. You can deposit it through BTC, Dogecoin, Litecoin, USDT, BNB and TRX. You have to click on buy now option and you can see that it will bring you and it will bring us into our first pay account. Like this. You have to select any of given cryptocurrency and click proceed to payment. You can deposit it through this website and very easily and efficiently. Now scroll down. Here we have benefit option. Now here we have calculator. Now if you have 6000 hash rate power in your website, then you will get 15 TRX per day from this website and 45 TRX in 3 days. And in 1 week you will get 105 TRX if you have 6000 hash rate power in this website. Now to get 6000 hash rate power, you have to deposit here 600 TRX to be able to get a lot of benefit from here. Now we have another option that is very useful. Here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If other person join this website and deposit here, you will earn a lot of benefit from your each referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now you can also take withdraw without deposit. Click on withdrawal option and here you need to enter your required amount to take withdraw. After enter your amount, click on confirm request now and you can see that it will pay us immediately without any hesitation, without any obstacle. Now come to my first pay account and here you can see that in the form in overview I got 0.0133 TRX right now in front of you. Now you can also get this type of benefit from this website by join this website through your first pay email address. Hopefully you like it, you love it.